Hello and welcome to another getSoapy 2-minute tour. Today we're looking at the quote process and how it can help you win more business. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock and get started. Here's my getSoapy website as customers see it. Let's pretend Johnny McCustomer wants to request a quote for window cleaning. He's got a nice form where he can fill out all the information we need to know if we'll provide the quote and to schedule it in. His address, the services required, contact details, information about the property. You can customise a lot of this. Now when Johnny submits this information, it's safely secured in my getSoapy account and I'll get a notification letting me know that someone's requested a quote. So let's jump over to the getSoapy app and see what you'd see. Here's our Johnny's details, and I've got a few options here. If I'm not interested, maybe it's too far away, I can just offer the quote on the marketplace and I can maybe make some money for this quote. I can provide an estimate right away if I'm confident that I know the property enough, maybe it's next door to a customer I've done regularly. I can send them a message saying I'll provide a quote, but maybe I'm on holiday and I can't do it right away, just to let them know that they shouldn't look for someone else. Or I can provide a detailed breakdown of all the costs. Now we've got another video on how to use pricing categories, so check that out. But really quickly, just imagine I'm at the property and I'm walking around the windows counting everything up. Now, if we look at what Johnny sees, they've got all the messages we've sent them, they've got the price we've given them, and they've got that detailed price breakdown. And this opens in a nice professional document with our branding, with our contact details, with payment terms, whatever you want to put in there. And this is really useful for doing commercial quotes, where they might need this for a paper trail, they might even need to print this out and file it somewhere for some reason. Johnny also has a nice big accept button if he's happy with the quote. Let's switch back to the getSoapy app, and what you'll see, we can see Johnny's accepted this quote, and with one click we can convert Johnny into a customer. All the details, all the address, all the messages get copied over, and that pricing breakdown now becomes the invoice that he'll receive every time we complete the job. Johnny's had a nice professional experience and it's been really quick and easy for us as well. That's how managing your quotes with getSoapy can help you win more work. Thanks for watching, give us a follow so you don't miss the next 2-minute tour. Have a good one.